I'm hoping that I didn't bridge anything, and I'm hoping that maybe that will fix any possibilities of issues. Well, let me try and test it. All right. Well, we're in the shorts mode, so it did work. I don't know who this is, but maybe you should put a note on your Xbox when you donate it to a thrift store and you know it's broken. I'm just saying, Billy Bob Jr. the First and Izzy Choppa. What the hell is that? Let's see what crap's on here. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got a controller finally synced up. Signing you in. Roblox. I don't know. Is there anything? Why everybody plays Call of Duty? Ever notice that? Everybody. And they all play this Fortnite game. I don't know what the hell this crap is. Some millennial stuff. Call of Duty. I don't think there's any games installed on here. Let me see. Updating. Installation stopped. Call of Duty needs to finish installing or show ready to start before you can launch it. Alright guys, anyway. There's not much on this thing. Probably hasn't been used in a long time. What did it just say up there? It gave me the date, which I think was incorrect. Kula Jada Kathy Outlook. What the hell? Anyway. Well, if this is your Xbox, I fixed it. And next time you should probably write broken on it.